This is how you fix the visors in a 2006 Honda Civic. This also goes up to 2009. If you have this car, you probably realize that the visors break after a certain amount of time and they dangle. You can see that this one has not broken yet, but you can see it starting. See it starting to see it lifting up right here. You can see that's where it starts to break. Well, I've replaced these 3 times in this car, and this is how I fixed this one. And I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a brand new visor here, and these parts right here are what prevent it from breaking again. Alright, first thing you need to do is take off the plastic piece. That hides the screws. And you just need a regular slotted screwdriver. It has the Torx screws in the center, but you can just use a regular slotted screwdriver to take these off, and they just simply unscrew. Alright, once you get the visor off, basically you're going to put this is the packaging for it, but it's made by Hillman. You can get it at Lowe's, and it's a 5/8 inch threaded aluminum post. Basically, if you look at the parts in there, there's a screw and then a seat for it. So I'm just using a Sharpie, and you want to do, in case you were wondering, this is what the post looks like on a broken one. There's a metal bar that goes in here, and you can see on the edge that tab. You just want to avoid that because that's where that metal piece is. So about 3/4 of an inch over, I'm just making a spot, and about 3.5 inches over, somewhere right smack dab in the center of the width between here and here. Again, just making sure you're avoiding that tab on the side. Then you want to use a 1/4 inch twisted drill bit, which is this. You just don't want to use a masonry bit, and again, this is a 1/4 inch. You want to drill through the plastic. When I drilled mine, it really wasn't very hard, so I'm going to show you that in a minute. As you can see, it's pretty easy to drill through that. Next step is to put your parts in there, and I put the non-slotted part on the outside so that you can't see the slot when the visor is closed. And again, post goes in there. Screw goes in the top. Okay. One. Basically, this was a design flaw by Honda that, and these parts are just going to give you some stability, or give the visor some stability to be able to hold on. And you just want to make them as tight as you can make them without obviously breaking the plastic. And that's basically it. Now it's just time to put it back on the car. Okay, then it's just time to put the visor back up. And you'll notice, obviously, when you took it off, that there was this little tab on the end of the connector. You just have to make sure you slide that in first. And forgive me for being all over the place with this video. Once you get that in there, you just tighten that back up. Okay, so once you get the visor attached, you put back on your little decorative clip to cover the screws, and you're done. So from the outside, you just see these 2 points on your visor. You can, I mean, if it really bothers you, the color of them, you could probably get some tan paint and just, you know, cover up the sides. Again, I just don't want to see the screw slots on this side of the visor. So again, these things are not cheap. They cost about $60 a piece, maybe more, to replace. There's obviously a design flaw from Honda. And again, I got tired of replacing them at $60 a pop, so hopefully this worked out for you. Please leave comments at the bottom of your success or problems. Again, the parts for these can be bought at Lowe's or Home Depot, and they're found in the hardware department in all of those areas where they have the drawers, and you may just have to ask for them, but they're made by Hiller, and I'll leave the part number. Good luck. Thank you.